Hey guys, what is up? It's WWE's Big Fan 1997. Coming back at you with another video, and in this video I got two unboxings. I'm gonna get the first box right here. This one we got a VHS in it. And then this one, a WWE DVD. We'll start with the VHS. This VHS, I had to get another copy because the copy I got from the guy decided they didn't want to play, so I had to ask him if he could send another one. Diesel. Big Daddy, cool Diesel. Oh yeah. This one looks in a lot better condition too, so sweet. On this you see Diesel versus Shawn Michaels, Diesel versus Bret the Hitman Hart, Diesel versus Double J, Diesel versus King Kong Bundy, and Diesel versus Owen Hart. Match after match of non-stop slamming action. And there's some pictures. Sweet. It's going to be awesome to watch. It's going to be awesome. So that's right here. Sweet. Next one. This one I do not have in the collection yet. Surprisingly. I was happy when I found it. Real happy. Let's see what condition it's in. There we go. Oh yeah, that looks Armageddon from 2003. Yes, I'm very happy. And this, you see the Dudley Boys versus Mark John Dew, I think I said that right, and Garrison Chad versus Val Venus and Leah Storm versus the Hurricane versus Rosie and Rosie versus Law Resistance versus Scott Steiner and Test. That sounds like that's a tag team terminal for the World Tag Team Championship titles, and I don't think I've seen this pay-per-view. So it's gonna be awesome. Battle of the sexiest. Trish and Lita versus Chris Jericho and Christian. That sounds funny. Booker T versus Mark Henry. And the Intercontinental Championship match, Rob Van Dam versus Randy Orton, special guest referee Mick Foley. That sounds like it's going to be a good one. I can't wait to watch that. Shawn Michaels versus Batista. And then the main event, triple threat match for the World Heavyweight Championship, Kane versus Goldberg versus Triple H. Heck yeah. Let's look at the disc. Let's see what it looks like. And I do get an insert. Armageddon. And also just showing what they have available. Pretty cool. Pretty neat. And the disc. Ooh. Mint. You can see my DVDs. Heck yeah, dude. Sweet. I'm very happy for this. And I will definitely do a review on this. I have a couple of reviews coming actually, and I have another video coming. I'm going to be showing my WWE cards, so look out for that video. Sweet. Thank you for all the support, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you got Facebook, Twitter, or whatever like that, please share my page or my video. Just try to get me out there, help me get me out there. Thank you, and thank you for everything, guys. Thank you. I can't, words can't describe how much I appreciate the subscribers and everything. Thank you. Okay, enough of me talking. Sweet. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys liked it. Please drop a comment, subscribe, and peace.